What's up, guys? This is knivesplus.com. Welcome to another walk around. We're glad you're here with us today, taking some time to check out our videos. It's been a while since I've done a video, so bear with me. I'm sure I'm a little rusty. We've been busy with a lot of other things, so it's been tough to get behind the camera and do these walk arounds. So it's nice to be back, though. A lot of new items to check out. Figured we'd start here with the Fox knife. It is new for 2018. It is a Vox Knives design, and you can really just tell by looking at it who made the knife. And he's just got a great handle on making small compact folders that are just stout and really overbuilt. Kind of contradicts each other, but he does a really good job at doing it. You can get this knife. It is called the Core. You can get it in a bunch of different variations. The OD green with the black blade. Couple black handles here with a stonewash finish or a black finish. Does also have the contrasting orange backspacer on that one, and they do make a blue handle that we're out of stock on currently. So all built on the same frame. So we'll just look at the OD green. It's a pretty cool knife. Like I said, stout little guy, 4.5 inches close, so not super large. It's got a weight just under 5 ounces. Handle on this is FRN, and then it is laser cut or machined to kind of look like cryptic, even though they won't call it that. But that's what it reminds me of, at least. You do have a pocket clip on it. It is a wire clip. Deep carry, right or left hand carry as well. And then the back spacers here, these are all black unless you get on some of these other ones will have a contrast. So does have the flipper, which opens up just very nicely. That blade just is pretty thick, stout little blade, so it comes out with just a little bit of a press on there. The thumb stud here, or the thumb hole, a little bit tougher to get into, at least for me. I would definitely go with the flipper here. Overall length 7.5 inches with a 3-inch drop point blade. Nice big belly in that, and it is made out of N690. This knife is available at knivesplus.com, and I will I'll drop a link down in the info section. Get on over to knivesplus.com to learn more.